One ordinary day, a little girl named Mia found herself plagued by relentless hiccups. But these were no ordinary hiccups. Each one whisked her into a fantastic world. With every hiccup, her living room transformed, a jungle filled with vibrant creatures one moment and a vast ocean the next. Meanwhile, a friendly dragon emerged, offering Mia rides on his back through starlit skies. With each hiccup, she discovered treasures and made friends from magical realms, all before landing softly back on her couch. By the end of the day, her hiccups had stopped, but her heart was full of stories from adventures she could only dream of.